Hey everybody, this is Josh. Today I'm working with General Wes Moreland on downstays. If you guys remember just a couple days ago, he was very stubborn around the downstay in particular. And what we're doing is we're really making sure he knows how to do this stuff under distractions at home first before we bring him out into the community, such as like Home Depot, we do that a lot, or downtown. We want to make sure that he can comply to a downstay and hold it with duration, with distractions at home first. So what I do is I have him in another room. I also have Jeff, one of our daycare dogs, who previously went through a board and train, walking around with me to provide a distraction. And here he is here, good boy. Just having him downstay in different rooms of the house while I leave the room and I provide distractions. So we got another dog walking around is a huge distraction. I'll also use toys, all this stuff. After today's training session, I'm gonna feel confident that he knows what's expected of him when it comes to his commands with distractions. So we start at home first. Definitely gotta, if you can't master a command and obedience at home with no distractions and then mild distractions and then high distractions, you can't expect to get it in public, because that's like the grand finale. That's the Super Bowl. That's the big one. So what you want to do is practice at home first. Make sure you can get this solid obedience with no distractions. Then make sure you can get it with mild distractions, and then make sure you can get it with high distractions, all at home before you go out into the community. What you guys got? What's this one? What you got, Jeff? Jeffrey, where you going? What you got? What you got there? Huh? Hey. Break. Good boy. Well, get it. Get it. If you're not gonna get it, Riggins will. Riggins, what's going on? Go get a toy. Get it.
Go get your toy.
Somebody do something with this
Toy.
thing. Jeff, what's that? Yeah. There you go. Jeffrey. Nice catch, bud. Nice catch. See that? Nice. Oh, let's see this. Good. Hello, Riggy. How you doing? Where is it? I got it. Hello? Oh, false alarm. Good. Wes, break. Good boy, Wes. Good job, mister. You getting good? You getting good at this, huh? Yes, you are. Good job.